What's going on, y'all? Welcome to Meat Cranium. Well, today I'm going to be doing a review of a product from Lifedoo. This is a portable grill, but this is going to be unlike any other review that you guys have probably ever seen done on this right here. Now, I like to do a full review from the unboxing to a cook and everything else. I might do a cook in another video so I can milk this into a couple of other videos, just so you know that's how I got to do it. I'm going to start off with just the outside of the boxing, and then we'll get started to what's on the inside. Okay, so right here is the box that it came in. I'm sure they've done their due diligence, they've done their R&D, and they have a certain group that they are targeting with this product right here. I think it might be elementary school children, maybe middle school, but definitely they are targeting a younger crowd because they have stuff on here like Lifedoo products, heavy as shit. Okay, I don't know why they need to have that on there. They have a little cartoon character here, another little drawing over here. It's too simple. When it heats up, it will buckle. Then probably it will be hard to assemble. Lifedoo, no! Oh my goodness. Ash disposal is the issue. Man, are you really gonna get this? It's not a pit. Oops, too much smoke when I fire the loss. Every user is our designer. I just don't see it being practical. There is no great. It is a bit expensive, and there are no any accessories. I guess an O and an A is the same exact thing. I can't really tell the difference. Maybe it is a bit expensive and there are no any accessories. Okay, whatever. Let's get this thing opened up. So I'm not sure what they're trying to do here with the lingo, but this is kind of my thoughts about it. All right, so I don't know what's going on with the whole packaging and stuff. It's cute, you know, whatever. I don't know if they're trying to be hip, like, hey daddy-o, look at us, we are so cool, we can put a cuss word on the back of our box because we are so cool, and we're going to address some of the problems right on the front and kind of be really confrontational right at the front of our packaging because we don't care, we're cool. All right. Well, you know what? I mean, honestly, if you want to try to attract and go for all crowds, you might as well put love is love on there and have a couple of hearts where you put the O's. Maybe put maybe put coexist on the outside of the box as well, where all the letters are religious symbols. And maybe put defund the police on the outside of your box as well, just to add to the whole entire ambience of what you're trying to put out. I don't think it's necessary. It says right here, every user is our designer. So if I'm a designer, I would cut that crap off the box immediately. And I haven't opened up this box yet. But now let's open up the box and let's see everything inside. All right, so let's cut this thing open. Now this company, I believe they are out of Australia. It looks like that's it. All right. Every user is our designer. Okay, let's see if that's the actual thing. What is this? What is this? This is, okay, so this is a carry case that you put the Lifedoo grill into, evidently. Got a handle right here, and you got another handle right here. And I guess this is to carry it around because it is portable. And it says Lifedoo, every user is our designer. So that's pretty cool. I like that. So I'll put that to the side. Okay, and then this must be like the plate that it sits onto. So that right here. It feels very, very thick. It has the let me see if you can see it right here, Lifedoo, right here on the side. This is one of the sides for it. Okay, we have, looks to be some stainless steel grates. This is, you set the charcoal on the bottom, this right here. You put the charcoal, this goes on the bottom, charcoal goes on top of here, you know that. There are no instructions that come with this, so it's pretty self-explanatory. You have some slots right here to make it, either to make it smaller or to make it wider. You have different slots here. to change the size of it, which I think is pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and go with size right here. Okay, if we lean this forward right here, this little open space right here, this is for the charcoal grate right here. Kind of put it in these little slots right here, I would guess. Get my best venture. Maybe right here. You got two different slots, sizes. Okay, so there we go. Charcoal goes on top of there, like that. It's pretty cool. And these, I guess you can size it different places you want it to have. Then you got your grate that sits on top of there like that, like so. Put your charcoal down there and you cook your food up on top of here. I actually have a suggestion that the company needs to take into consideration. What I'm actually considering is, actually I'll just go get it, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so the first thing I thought of when I seen this grill was kebabs. Open coals here, you don't even need these little slits right here, okay? Open coals right here. I love doing picanha. And this thing would probably do picanha really good. Put a nice thin layer of coals right down here. Put your picanha right here on some skewers. Turn them around if you want to. Then even, like you want to do like a beef kebabs or even like chicken kebabs, you lay right across there. It would fit perfectly. Or you can do your regular skewers like that. Just lay them right across there. That's kind of what my first cook's probably going to be on here. It's probably going to be some kebabs. I do like that. That's pretty cool. I got some ground beef in there. Do some burgers. Do some hot dogs. Because this is for on-the-go people. This is for people that are like in campgrounds and want to go, you know, travel. Maybe go to the jetties and go fishing overnight, and they want to have something to cook on. Well, this thing's going to be pretty damn perfect. So I will do a cook at a later point in time, but for right now, this is kind of just a unboxing, a first look, review, and my thoughts. And my thoughts are very important. So, all right, y'all. So one thing I noticed before I go is I went ahead and been messing around with this thing. I put it to its widest setting. Let me show you. The grill grate it has here, it does not cover the entire surface. However, it does cover this length right here. So if you want to, if they come out with like a lid or a cover to come over this, like a dome cover or like a collapsible cover that they can go over this, you can put your coals right here, put your meat right here, and kind of have a two-zone. But if you're trying to grill, this does not fit, and this just slides. That just come out too. So what I did is I went around and seen what would cover that surface, and that is the Weber charcoal grate. You can probably get one for a couple bucks. Stainless steel, you can get one from you know, Lowe's, Home Depot, wherever they sell Webers, and that covers pretty much the entire surface. Or you can just get an entire Weber 22-inch or 18-inch Weber kettle grate, and that will do the trick as well. But just want to show you that with it at its widest setting, it does not. This does not cover. However, it does cover like this right here. So keep that in mind. If you get this grill, you can put your meat here. You have two-zone, and so there you go. All right, y'all. So other than the packaging on the outside, which I think is really cheesy and unnecessary, and I would scrap that from any of my packaging because you don't need it. It seems to be very well constructed. A couple things I do notice is that the grate here, it kind of slides. Let me show you. The grate here, it has nothing to hold it back, and it kind of slides. So if they could actually find a way to keep it to stay, you know, without sliding, that would be really cool. That'd be probably pretty beneficial. And this thing you could probably easily feed probably a family of 3, 4 people on this little guy right here. Now here's my suggestion. Now you've gone this far to make this. How do you make a portable, like a foldable lid to go on top? Let me show you what I'm talking about. A foldable top that goes on top, maybe has a vent, so you can put coals on one side, maybe put food on the other, so you can have kind of like, like a two-zone burn with a lid on top, so you can kind of smoke something if you want to. You know, put your coals down here, have a lid, put maybe a pork butt, maybe a half a rack of ribs, maybe a whole rack of ribs cut in half, and put it right here and be able to smoke it, I think you could probably do that. That'd be pretty cool. You know, like a foldable lid to go on top, maybe a vent somewhere on the side that kind of fits on top, and everything can kind of fit into the bag. You kind of fold it, fit into the bag. That would be a completely awesome addition for this Lifedoo grill. I do like the tray that it sits on to catch the ash. That's a really good positive thing. I like that you can actually adjust it to different sizes, different things on it. That's a cool plus. A lid would put this thing over the top, in my opinion, and also scrap the cartoon of, you know, Gen Z bull garbage on the front. You don't need it. You got a good product. You don't need to have all the goofy crap and the cuss words on the outside. That to me is it's a little overdoing it. All right, but anyhow, I'll see y'all later, cool cats.